Hey brothers, it's not Chames. It is Chames's super awesome cousin who bypassed the security of this channel. Just kidding, she gave me the password. So today I'm going to be showing you my daily makeup routine because you can't just go out in public looking ugly. Ugh. So to start, I'm going to put my long luscious hair up. Just kidding, it's really not that long. Into a bun. Just gotta bring it to the top of your head and then twist it around and tie it off with an elastic. Or you can use a scrunchie. I personally love scrunchies. There we go. So today I'm going to be using this dollar store eyeshadow palette because my parents won't buy me the James Charles palette. I'm so mad and I can't afford anything else, so here's just a dollar store palette. So I'm going to start with my eyeshadow. Wait, just kidding, no, I'm going to start with my eyebrows because your brows are everything. So since I don't have a brown, I'm just going to start with this light orange and get some of it on this stupid foam thing and put some on my eyebrows. Also, if you haven't watched Chip Eating ASMR, I am the one in the background asking for a charger and walking out the door halfway through the video, so if you haven't seen that video, go watch it right now. Have you watched it yet? So after I've done the light orange, I'm going to use the other side, which I use for dark colors, and I'm going to get this nice little purple, and then once you blend it with the orange, it sort of makes a brown. Is that not amazing? So since my eyebrows go blonde halfway through, I usually put more purple where that is so that they can get all nice and filled in. And then also gotta do the other one. It has to be even. And voila, brows are done. So next I just rub the foam thing all over my arm to get all the extra shadow off. So next I'm gonna do eyeshadow. So today I'm really thinking I should go for a green because green is the opposite of pink. Gotta mix and match a little. Sorry, my battery's dying, so I had to fix that. So next I'm gonna start with eyeliner because I don't have real eyeliner, so really I'm just gonna be using the darkest green, which is like a foresty green. You just gotta get some on there and then just go along the bottom of your lid. And then you also have to do the other eye because how stupid would it be to just walk around with only one lid of eyeshadow done? And then I'm also gonna do like under my eyes because that's what so many beauty bloggers have been doing lately. Oh, I got some in my eye. Oh, this happens every day, brothers. Don't worry. Also do the mascara phase. Okay, so now that that's done, I'm gonna go along the middle of my lid with this nice little like tealish color. Just gotta blend it some more. Don't forget your other eyelid. Perfect. And I'm gonna do the lightest color and go along the outsides, like out here. Okay, so now that that's done, I'm just gonna apply mascara, and I always use waterproof mascara because, like, what if the school floods and all your mascara comes off? Like, how tragic would that be? Ugh. So first I'm just gonna get some and then do the face. Perfect. They also have to do the other eyelashes. Needs to be even. Perfect. So now that we have both eyes done, just sort of let them dry. Try not to blink too hard. So while those are drying, we're gonna do lips. So I am using this gloss. It is Stay Glossy Color 340 Captivate Me. So I'm just gonna open it up and then just smear it across my luscious lips. I'm gonna do the upper lid too. I'm gonna let that dry. And then once that's dry, we gotta add an extra layer of glitter because we need all the gloss, because what are you gonna do if you don't have the best lips on the street? Like, what is even the point of being on the street if you don't have the best lips? So you gotta add an extra layer of glitter just to attract some attention. And that is it for my daily makeup. I forgot blush. I cannot believe— ah! I dropped my eyeshadow! Okay. So, I'm just gonna use this pink, smear some, and then just— because I don't have a real blush, so I just use my dollar store eyeshadow. You guys, someday I'll get a job and then actually get high quality real makeup. That's gonna be a good day, okay? So now that my makeup is done, I'm just gonna take my hair out. Let it tumble down my shoulders. Gotta get looking like a celeb. Ugh. And then whenever I go to math class, I always put on these glasses that I stole from a movie theater just so that I look extra smart, and it really just shapes my face. And ugh. Anyways, that's all for my makeup routine today. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe. Bye!